previous class we have discussed the acidity of the nitrophenol. Any group having the minus R and minus I effect, if is present in the phenol, then what will happen? The acidity will increase. And how ortho, meta, para varies in their acidity, and how we can arrange those all according to their acidic strength, I told you previous class. Today we are going to discuss the cresol compound. Cresol, in which we are seeing the methyl group is there with the phenol. If any group, methyl is one, it is having the plus R as well as the plus I effect. Now what will happen, see, if cresol means what? This is our cresol, this is our, it is orthocresol. Similarly we can tell cresol, it is orthocresol. Okay, and if it is at the meta position, it is metacresol and metacresol. Paracresol will be like this. Now we are going to discuss their acidic character. As methyl group is having the plus I effect, so what will happen? It will actually intensifies the electron density on the oxygen. Hence it has less tendency to release the H plus ion. Here, hence remember that any group having the plus I effect and plus R effect, they will always decreases the acidic character of the phenol. But what will happen, ortho and para and meta, ortho meta paracresol, if we compare, now see, the methyl group can show its plus R effect from the ortho and para position. As I already discussed that any group can show its plus R or minus R effect better from its ortho or para position, but not from the meta position. So plus I effect is shown properly, prominently from the ortho position and from the para position. But methyl at the meta position cannot show its effect or plus I effect on this oxygen. Hence it is more acidic than orthocresol and paracresol. So we can write down what? Metacresol is more acidic than ortho and para. Now as in the ortho position distance is minimum, but para position methyl is what? This is methyl, methyl, and this is paracresol. Para position methyl is far away than the ortho position, so we can say that higher the distance, lesser will be the plus I effect. So paracresol will be more acidic. Lesser is the plus I effect, higher is the acidity. So paracresol is more acidic than orthocresol. So orthocresol is least acidic actually, but most acidic in this case is phenol itself, because it doesn't have any plus I effect. That's why if we compare their acidic character, remember that always any group having the plus I effect as well as the plus R effect, they will show the same arrangement. Always they will show the lesser acidic character than the phenol. And secondly, we can see that what? Their nature will be generally meta will be more acidic, and after that the para will come, and least will be the ortho. Thank you class.